Hey y'all, I couldn't call well enough. I wanted to see if I could get one of these on, and I've used these rivets before, but they're steel, and they're big and they're tough, man. They are tough. I literally had to when I first got these rivets, had to drill one of these adapters or heads out because it's a little bit bigger than a 3/16 rivet or something. It must be metric or something, but. Super hard to get set. Watch this. What's the 2x4 all about? You're gonna find out. You almost can't get these things to tighten up. Right here on a wall joist, wall beam. And I'm gonna have to shoulder block this thing. Yeah. Holy cow. Dude, there's no way I could pull that thing down by hand and break these things loose. That thing ain't never coming off of there. If it's just through the skin and the dress-up piece, it's not so bad. Don't have to do any shoulder blocking, but a few of them, especially from here on down, and some real close to the beams, are literally through the steel as well. So one, it's good. It'll be good and strong, you know. But man, oh man, that's some tough rivets. Tough going, tough sledding here today at RPM. But I just couldn't. It was only 4 o'clock. I couldn't go home yet, man. I'm trying to get some more of this stuff done. Hang in there, y'all. We're praying for you.